Girl, some days that the little intro beat, like, thank you. And I grew up in Detroit, so house music and stuff was like so. Hello, everyone.
Hi,
Hello, Tribe.
everyone.
Hello, Mercedes. Happy Money
Hi.
Making Monday.
Yes.
My name is Quintaria Brunson, and outside of a disco dancer, I am a financial strategist that is committed to elevating my community, my tribe, and making sure that our community has clear exit strategies that allow us to live and leave the legacies that we desire through life insurance and long-term income, through real estate, through business ownership and franchise ownership, and through taking our rightful position in the community. I'm joined today with my very understanding partner that allows me to pop in and dance sometimes.
I like understanding.
Yeah, Mrs. Mercedes Coates.
All right, guys. Hi, welcome to Money Making Mondays with Mercedes and Quintaria. I'm Mercedes Coates. I have been in the insurance and annuity industry for about 13 years, and I have been helping families to protect their lifestyle, their wealth, and their income for many, many years. Very simply, I help people simply understand how to put the right financial plans in place to protect what you work so hard to build, okay, and to grow your money. All right. So with that said, we're going to move on to our topic today. In just 15 minutes, we provide to you a topic that we're going to elaborate based on our experiences in the industry, our expertise, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what's our topic today, Quintaria?
The role of life insurance in business succession planning. And let me kick off with a quote for just a bit of inspiration. But John C. Maxwell says, "A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." So, I definitely appreciate John C. Maxwell, have read many of his books and all of that. But as we dig into the topic about business succession, growing your business, and who do you leave it to? I definitely must start being a consultant and being a financial strategist for entrepreneurs. One, you really need to decide very early on, if not before you start your business, what is the goal of your business? Is this something that you're leaving to family? Is this something that will have a licensing potential, that parts of it can be duplicated? Is it a franchise model where the whole business can be duplicated? But knowing that will help you put the proper succession plan in place. And it's just a way that I think we leave so much on the table when any business, and it's some industries that are worse than others, when they just walk away from a book of business. I don't care if you sell snow cones out of your garage. It is a business model that could have a plan for longevity well after you're gone, if that is what you desire. So I would love to dig into ways that these concepts, these financial concepts that we share with people, can help them have a successful exit strategy as well as business succession.
Yeah, for sure. And one thing I wanted to say about that quote that you put out there is that what I heard was lead by example. That's what a leader is, lead by example. So that kind of goes right into this business succession planning, because people have built businesses or are continuing to build businesses, right? Where you want to see the fruits of your labor to be passed down to generation, or even, let's just say, the next generation, right? So the role of these financial products, I'll give you some examples. I guess that'll be helpful. So a lot of times you have concepts where you may be in a partnership with someone, and you need to have what we like to call a buy-sell agreement. If you are running a business and it's dependent on other partners, like you guys are one unit, but you can't function without the other, you need
Which
to have
is
a
the best type of partnerships. We all spoke to that. Those are the best type, where it's not a competition, it's a compliment.
Yes,
But when it's a compliment, I definitely need you because I don't do what you do.
Absolutely. I love those businesses as well. So having what we call a buy sell agreement where it's funded by a life insurance contract, basically what it does, it will state the terms as to how uh, each partner can buy out the other partner in the event that someone passes away, in the event that someone gets sick and cannot do the business anymore. Then you should have that structure in place where the life insurance will define and allow the partner to buy out their shares, to buy out their portion of the business in the event something happens.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
key. A lot of partnerships don't have this, Quintaria, and I see a
Many
lot of
don't. I
very
work with
well.
hundreds of business owners. And
Yeah,
I'm not just talking about Lil Ray Ray who's washing cars at the corner.
no,
I'm talking about $1 million businesses,
yeah,
multi-million dollar businesses. They don't
exactly,
have this in place. And I've seen horror stories and had
yeah,
to help people maneuver through stories where when you don't have this in place, when someone passes away, family,
yeah.
the spouses of the other party, or like people can go all the way left. So it's almost like a prenup for your business,
Ha, that's a
while
good
we're
way
still
to.
in the honeymoon phase and we're
Yeah,
still in love and we're still working together, deciding in advance what it would look like should the inevitable happen, or the worst happen, or even the best,
oh
because
yeah, even if they
yeah,
just want to buy the other
yeah,
out,
because
this life insurance.
once we hit our 10 million mark, Mercedes, you can look, we're gonna have to discuss how you carry on without me, once we hit the 10 million
I'm
dollar
not
mark.
mad at you, but having that option, guys, is going to be super key. And then it also, again, that protection that's going to be in place in the event something happens does not have to stagger your business, and it brings down that stress level because now you have that peace of mind that if
Mhm.
something did happen, you guys don't have to worry about the business. The business can continue. So
Yeah.
that would be one thing I would say. What about we can talk about key person insurance. I
Yes.
think this is key too. If you're talking about retention, in order to stay competitive, I think right now we're in an age where a lot of people are changing careers.
Mm-hmm.
They are looking for competitive benefits. People want benefits, right? So key person policies are really good to show a key person that you care about them, to allow them to get certain types of bonuses. It is a what's the word, an incentive basically
Yeah.
to stay with your company, or to stay with working with you as a partner, or whatever the case. I like those key person policies. They also provide a lot of tax-free income. They also work as collateral to secure other loans. Like you do a great job at structuring these for business owners,
Mm-hmm.
for strategies for SBA loans, things like that. So these key person policies can really, help you guys scale the business as well, where it provides cash flow for you to scale or expand, or to move into different areas. So
Yeah.
I like the key
I've
person.
talked about key person policies for years. I've
Yeah.
helped many of my clients by putting them in key persons
Yep.
policies. Key person policies have so many benefits that I would take all of our 15-minute conversation, but I must say, one, it shows the partners that we're both serious about this, that
Yeah.
we're both committed and we're both serious to whatever this venture is that we're starting. It shows other possible funding, like you said, for SBA. To get an
Yeah.
SBA loan, the owner of a business must have a life insurance policy, and many business owners don't know or realize that. But if you
Yeah.
already had that in advance, it already shows that you are CEOing your life and your
Mm-hmm.
business, and you're not just
Mm-hmm.
like on in hustle mode, but you are in a corporate business mode, which makes you look more fundable, which is a blessing. And then
Mm-hmm.
finally, I cannot, the tax benefits and the fact that it shows on your balance sheet as an asset, so it
Yeah.
increases the value of your business. I could go on and on so many of the
Mm-hmm.
advantages, but key person policies have so many advantages for businesses, especially in our community where we're not
Yeah.
always approved for certain loans.
Oh,
people are automatically assuming that our businesses are kind of nickel and diamond or robbing Peter to pay Paul. They're very impressed to see business owners show up and they already have these things in place, so it just
Yeah,
adds so much. And then just from some of the benefits of the policies in and of itself, the wealth building and all of that, you still have those advantages that you can apply to your business as well too.
for
In addition,
sure.
yeah, in addition to what you said, just about just a perk, depending on how you all structure it, the family of the entrepreneur can feel assured that, oh, okay, so we got additional protection and coverage with, from the business as well too. So
Yeah.
person's policies just have so many advantages.
For sure, for sure. And I would also, add in there, if you are looking to start a business, the life insurance concept is a great complement to helping you get there.
Mm-hmm.
Because the fact that it does build cash value and that money can be borrowed out of the policy or withdrawn from it, it can actually help you put down a down payment to get that brick and mortar or to acquire the materials you need to start your business. So I do
Lowering
like
that
to
lowers
use
your
that.
debt and
Oh,
everything,
yes,
because so
absolutely.
so many people go into debt to start a business. And
Yeah,
like there's a healthy risk that you need to take when you're starting a business, but let's be strategic with it and use
yeah.
concepts like this
Yep.
that have more of a win-win-win aspect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for realtors too. I know a lot of realtors who start out being independent realtor and then they want to become a broker. There are costs associated with becoming a broker. So if
Yeah.
you're taking your commissions and you're using financial strategies like insurance to house the money, to compound and grow the money, and putting you in position that when you do pass that real estate broker's exam and you're ready to make that purchase within that franchise, you have a lump sum of money to do so,
Thank you.
and monies that will still continue to grow even when you take it out.
Most definitely.
So many different strategies, Quintaria. Working together, guys. What you want to know is when you work with Quintaria and I, we come as a team. So this collaboration brings you into the financial strategies of how to structure your business and also the financial plans. They work together hand in hand. So
They
you get
do.
the best of both worlds when you work with us. Okay. So that's why we take time to do these 15 minutes so that you are not only informed, but you know how you can do it. And we want you to move into action, to start to take the initiative by having that 15-minute consultation to learn how you can put these things in place.
Yeah, because it is so important for us to, like I said, position ourselves
Mm-hmm.
as the expert, and not just in the industry that you do. Let's say you're an IT expert. Like, yes, position yourself as the expert in IT, but when you start a business and you may need to apply for loans or even just have other people buy into your concept, the
Mm-hmm.
more your business is structured appropriately, the more the less liability you have, the more you can continue to grow and scale your
Mm-hmm.
business, and you have not automatically removed yourself from certain possibilities, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
Like I think that our options are limitless, but there are sometimes that we can do things that impact us in a negative way. And like I said, the first, knowing what you desire for your business, what is your long-term goal for your business, so that we can help you design succession plans that will get you there and get you beyond, probably even more so than you even anticipated. um,
yeah.
as a business owner and a business strategist, I love talking about these. To dig in more, like we always say, all we need is 15 minutes.
That's
15
it.
minutes Monday morning, 15 minutes whenever you want to book a consultation, just to plant that kernel and start having these conversations so you can see that these simple concepts can be applied to your life and we can all have the legacy we desire.
Absolutely.
I'm excited about this.
Yes.
Yeah, like, share, follow us, and most importantly, book that consultation to see where you are, and how we can support you in having the legacy that you desire.
Absolutely. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for
Thank
everything. This is
you.
always just awesome, guys. We're looking forward to sharing your testimony on how you were another person who benefited from this information. So talk to us, and we'll be able to share your testimony with others and show them that it is possible. Okay.
Yes. Well, you have
Thank
a
you,
great
guys.
day, everyone. Have a great day, Mercedes. Happy Money Making Mondays.
Happy Money